Hey, welcome back to the channel. I know you haven't seen us for a while, but trust me, you'll find out shortly. But today we have a very quick and easy DIY for you if you have a temporary or a permanent need for a window treatment. So we've just moved and all the windows are bare. And while we may have ordered window treatment, we have something that I found that you can use short-term, medium-term, and even long-term based on the effort you have. And when I say it's simple, it is truly simple. Now, this is the original pleated paper shade. You can get them in blackout, you can get them in whiteout, and they're very easy to use, as I say. No tools necessary, but because I might be using them for a long term, I'm going to do a little extra effort, so walk with me. So right now I have my trusted stool and my tape measure. I want you to use what you call a dressmaker's tape measure and not the regular zoop one, but because it's just easier for me. So I'm going to step out and measure my window. Da, 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 da. That's what you call background music. And it's 35, okay? So when I'm finished, you're going to see how easy it is to install by trimming, putting additional double-sided tape in it, cutting it down to side, and just overall making it a snappy looking feature in your home until, as I said, you're either full-time window blinds come in or you may want to keep them. So walk with me and let's show its simplicity. So as sure, this is store-bought. The width of this is 36. I just need 33. So I'm going to be cutting down my paper blind to 33. And I'm going to use a marker to mark it and my razor scissors. And you might wonder what these are for. You'll see shortly. And I have my trusty cutting board. And it can be any cutting board. And remember, it's just paper, so you can just wash it off afterward with vinegar and water. And it'll be good as new to use in your kitchen. So I'm now measuring my 33 because my window treatment width is 33. So right here is 33, my marker, and I go like that. Move my tape out of, and I just go like this. Done. Okay. What else you see here is my vinegar and water. Just as an additional precaution, I'm just going to wipe my windowsill, not for dirt, but for any dust particles that will make it easier for my window treatment to go up. Now, as I shared with you, these are temporary blinds, but based on what you do, they can be long-term. And when I say long-term, I mean long-term. And they're going to be with us for a while. So that's why we're doing this extra. So you take off the adhesive tape right here. And this adhesive strip comes off. My double-sided tape, again, any hardware store you can get this. My double-sided tape, and this is for extra reinforcement because, as I said, they'll be up for a while. And I use this particular type of window treatment because I want to have the natural light still. And it goes on sticky, sticky. And I'm putting, based on the width of my window, I'm putting 4. But you can use 3 or even 2, okay? No problem. And you can get this again at any hardware store. Good old Walmart, Target, and my favorite, Home Depot. And always ensure that your edges are done. And I chose white. They come in many different colors, but I chose white. And here we go. So my 4 edges have been covered. Extra adhesive. So what I'm going to do now is just going to spray vinegar and water solution on this cloth. I'm also going to wipe where the tape is going to go. Okay, watch me. My solution. And I'm just going to wipe here. And that's it. So we're going to present the window blinds now. my vinegar and water solution dries almost immediately. By the time I go left to right, the left area is dry. And I'm going to put it on my window facing. So there are two ways to put it. This way or this way. It doesn't matter. So this is all I'm doing now. I'm putting the reinforcement and get ready. That's it. Now, I can either tape it down like this, or because it's a window that shows the front of my home, I'm not going to tape it down like you see at the other ones I've done. And let me show you the other feature that this is the box of goodies have in it. Stay tuned. Each blinds come with a pair. And all you have to do, based on what you want to do, is simply retract your accordion style window treatment and you clip it on like this. And you can leave it up like that. And if you want it further down, you can take it all the way down. If you want it in the area that needs to be covered at all the times, the same two-sided adhesive you have at the top, you can stick it here and it goes all the way down. But as I shared, where this window is, I want to be able to open it at will, so I'm going to use my trusty clips that comes in it and put it on. Now tell me, wasn't that simple? Listen, stay tuned for more excitement in turning your new house into a cozy and lovable home. Thanks for watching.